Happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. It is health that is real wealth and not pieces of gold and silver. You must not lose faith in humanity. Humanity is an ocean. If a few drops of the ocean are dirty, the ocean does not become dirty. The greatness of a nation can be judged by the way its animals are treated. You can chain me, you can torture me, you can even destroy this body, but you will never imprison my mind. Satisfaction lies in the effort, not in the attainment. Full effort is full victory. An eye for an eye only ends up making the whole world blind. It may be possible to gild pure gold, but who can make his mother more beautiful? There is a higher court than courts of justice, and that is the court of conscience. It supersedes all other courts. I object to violence because when it appears to do good, the good is only temporary, the evil it does is permanent. I am prepared to die, but there is no cause for which I am prepared to kill. I suppose leadership at one time meant muscles, but today it means getting along with people. A no uttered from the deepest conviction is better than a yes merely uttered to please, or worse, to avoid trouble. Anger is the enemy of nonviolence, and pride is a monster that swallows it up. A small body of determined spirits fired by an unquenchable faith in their mission can alter the course of history. Man becomes great exactly in the degree in which he works for the welfare of his fellow men. There are people in the world so hungry, that God cannot appear to them except in the form of bread. Freedom is never dear at any price. It is the breath of life. What would a man not pay for living? In prayer it is better to have a heart without words than words without a heart.